Hey guys, it's your girl Steffi J. Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching my video. In today's video, I will be talking about the new spring floral collaboration that Patrick Starrr is actually doing with MAC Cosmetics. Congratulations to Patrick Starrr on doing this beautiful collaboration. In this video, I will be creating this look using the Me So Fleek, as well as I will be doing a short review about the product itself. Let's find out what is in the Me So Fleek kit. The Me So Fleek kit comes in this beautiful floral package that actually says Patrick Starrr on it. In there, you will find a retro matte lipstick, to which I am wearing right now. You will also get a lip gloss. I love how he changed the word from lip gloss to lip gloss. Very clever, love it. And then there's also an eyeshadow palette that contains 4 different eyeshadows, to which we're gonna get into soon. And then you also have a powder blush duo that has 2 different types of colors of blush in there. Let's take a look at every single one of the products one by one. Okay, so the first product that we're gonna take a look at is the lipstick. It's called Hey Boy Hey, and it's a retro matte lipstick, and it comes in this beautiful bright type of purple lipstick. I would say that the coverage is more of a dense semi-full coverage. It's moisturizing, smooth on the lips, and it just is this beautiful color that just brings out the entire look. Now let's take a look at the lip gloss, which is a lip gloss. It is this beautiful type of bright pink, and it really does serve its purpose as a beautiful type of sheer with a little bit of sparkle in there. I feel like as a topper, it is perfect. It actually makes the lipstick look brighter because you know it's a more of a deeper purple, and then you add this on top, it makes it a little bit more brighter. But it is a sheer coverage, and it does last a pretty long time. I forgot to mention that the lipstick actually lasts a couple of hours, and the lip gloss will definitely give you full hours of fully moisturized lips, if that makes any sense, right? Now let's take a look at the third product. It's called Take Me Home Powder Blush Duo. It has 2 colors in there, and it actually comes with a beautiful mirror as well. And there's 2 colors in there, as I was mentioning. This color is more of like a type of mauve type of color, and then this color is actually a beautiful light pink. I have it on my cheeks, which I will be doing the tutorial on how to actually get this look, and you will see for yourself, because when I first saw this blush, I was just like, it's not gonna work because my skin color is darker. But Patrick was definitely smart on this one, because I use a tiny bit, you guys, and it shows. It really does show, and it looks beautiful. A little bit goes a really long way. I unfortunately did not try the type of mauve color because I felt like it might not be my color, but I'm definitely looking forward to trying it in a different look. And then we have the beautiful Play With Me eyeshadow palette that consists of 4 different eyeshadows within the palette. Right here we have in Living Pink, we have All Rosy, which is the matte one, and then we have Hickey, and then we have the In the Shadows. They're beautiful, just like its name. Those colors make you really want to play with them. I did a couple of swatches for you guys, and I'm going to be showing you how pigmented these eyeshadows are. They're super blendable and buildable. So here are the color swatches, and look how pigmented they are, guys. They're amazing. Okay, so now let's get right into creating this look. I'm going to be removing the eyeshadow, and then we're gonna build our look from there. So the first thing that I wanted to share with you guys is that I've already prepped my eyelids by using the MAC Paint Pot Primer, and this primer is really good just because it's not wet and it gives that matte finish that is really great, because sometimes when it's wet it actually leaves patches, and this one doesn't, and it looks like my skin, which is perfect. So let's get right into the eyeshadow. So for the first color in the eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be using Olive Rosy, which is this beautiful mauve color right here, and I'm going to be applying this into my creasing area. Now, I don't really want to bring this color up too much just because, yeah, I want to kind of leave my eyelids, not my eyelids, but my brow bone a little bit more on the nude side. Just because when I'm going to be deciding to actually clean up my eyelids, everything will be nice and fresh at the same time. So what I'm noticing with this color is that it blends in really nicely. And I'm taking the exact same color and I'm gonna concentrate more towards the end of the creasing area to be able to make it a tiny bit darker. Okay, so using my MAC 239 brush, I'm gonna be using the color Hickey to apply on top of my entire eyelid. So with this color, I kind of like want to like pack it on top directly, and I really want that color to be nice and bright. Honestly, out of the entire palette, it is the one color that actually caught my attention, so that's why I really like it. Okay, so I think I've applied enough of the Hickey color. As I know, it sounds kind of weird, but I've applied enough of Hickey. I'm gonna go back with my MAC 217 brush and I'm gonna pick the color Olive Rosy again, and I'm gonna blend those two colors out together. Using my 219 MAC brush, I'm gonna be applying in the shadows. This is this lovely royal blue, which I'm gonna be applying within the crease. I'm gonna try to apply it between the two colors that I've already applied and kind of work my way from there, because I kind of like don't want to lose both colors, but I kind of want all three to kind of like blend in. So let me just work with it and see like whether or not I want to do what I'm about to do. So let me just see, because right now I'm kind of like going with the flow with what I want the look to look like. So let me just apply it in between the two colors that I've already applied, and I'm gonna be actually dragging it down into kind of like almost like a V type of shape to see if I can keep all three colors, because that is my purpose, is to keep all three colors together. Kind of like a rainbow almost, if you know what I'm saying. Okay, so I think I'm liking this. So what I also want to do is drag that blue all the way down to my waterline. So let me just go ahead and do that. I just love blue. Blue is such a nice color. So far, guys, the one thing that I forgot to mention is there's a little bit of an eyeshadow fallout for those of you that may want to know, but the eyeshadow fallout is not that much, which is good. Okay, so I kind of want to blend everything out together. So I'm going to be using Olive Rosy again, and this time I'm going to be using my MAC 221 brush to be able to blend in the shadows together with Olive Rosy. Okay, so last but not least, I'm just going to take the color Hickey again, and I'm going to be placing it right in the middle between in the shadows, and I'm just going to be blending the two out together just so that they can meet right into the center, keeping the inner corner of my eye focused more with the Hickey color so that it can remain nice and vibrant. Okay, so the last color that I will be adding is this color right here. It's called In Living Pink, which I will be adding into the inner corner of my eye. And I'm just going to be using my finger to apply this color, just in case if you were wondering, because it is a shimmery color, so I figured that it's best applied using my finger. Ooh, I really like this color. This color is pretty. Like, look at this. It's like giving fire to my eye. Okay, so I have done the other eye, and now I'm going to be applying some eyeliner, kind of like a baby pink eyeliner, to just bring out the look, because it's going towards more of the smoky eye look, and I really want to keep it floral. So I'm just adding this one layer of pink. One layer, obviously it's one layer, right? I don't know why I said that, but I'm just adding it. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding the Urban Decay Razor Sharp eyeliner. So what I did is I kept the pink into the inner corner of my eyeball, and then I kept the black towards the outer corner, and I kind of like crisscrossed them together. So I think I like the way that it looks. I'm just going to go ahead, do that with the other eye, and then I'm going to apply some eyelashes and then come back to finish off the look. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding the Take Me Home Powder Blush Duo. Unfortunately, with the blush, one, I don't normally wear blush. I go for a highlighter. And then two, the two colors are colors that, number one, this color will not show on my skin, I believe. I mean, it may show, but it may show just a tiny bit. And then the second color is more of like towards a mauve type of color, which I don't believe that it will look good on my skin color, but hey, I'm here to try the product and give my full review. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the lighter shade onto my cheeks and see how that goes. Oh, and it actually does show. Okay, impressive. That one, I didn't think that it was gonna show. I dabbed it in lightly and it shows up pretty well on my cheeks. I don't know if you guys can actually see, but it looks really good and I actually really like it. I don't normally wear blush, but I really like this. This is really, really pretty. Okay, so now I'm gonna be adding the Hey Boy Hey Retro Matte Lipstick. This color is like a deep, rich purple, and then I'm gonna top it off with the lip glass color. What's funny is that normally doing this, I would only add in a nude color because I feel like I already have enough color going on in my face. But this time, I'm gonna follow everything in the kit. Okay, so overall, I've used everything a part of the kit, and I really, really like the look that I created. I like the boldness of the actual lips. I like the colors, how they combine together. I think he did a fantastic job. The only thing that I would like to say is that you guys know I like my highlighter. I just wish that there was a color that was more towards of a highlighter somewhere within the kit, just to make me happy, because I do like my highlighter. But this look was successful. It was super easy to use, and it makes the job a lot easier when you have this one palette to work with, and it's super affordable. And I so appreciate that when I find kits or products, when people actually take the time to make things affordable. I feel like they actually include a lot of people with what they're actually selling. You can do so much with this look. You can reverse the colors. You can even make it more of a smoky eye look. I just really, really enjoy using these actual products within the entire kit itself. And I'm actually looking to take a couple of photos to just enjoy this look a little bit more. Anyways, guys, if you don't have yourself a Patrick Starrr Me So Chic, Me So Fleek package, definitely go into the mall, buy one, try it out yourself. I guarantee you that you will not only like the price, but also like the look that you're gonna be creating, because it was really, really fun to work with. Like, look at my cheeks. I don't usually apply blush, but looking at, you know, the blush that I applied, it actually works. It actually really, really works. I was very skeptical. I actually wanted to combine both of the kits together. I wanted to keep more of the nude lip and then do the colorful eyes as I usually do. But I'm really happy that, you know, I took a chance and I decided to do something different for you guys today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Leave your comment down below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.